What we do here is go back.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Fritz Jones Investing back with another video, and I'm very excited to be able to present to you my $10,000 Robinhood Portfolio update. This has been almost a year in making, and it took a lot of hard work, but I finally reached my goal, and I'm looking forward to seeing where I can go in the future. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. If you're a new viewer, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This channel talks about stock market investing, growing your wealth, and also preparing for early retirement. So if those kind of things interest you, then this is the place for you. Today in the video, we'll talk about how my portfolio has been performing, the stocks that I hold, and also the dividends I've been receiving. Finally, I'll leave with the finance book. So with all that said, let's jump right into the portfolio. So for the day, I'm up $82. For the past week, I'm up $122. For the past month, I'm positive $130. Over the past 3 months, I'm positive $396. Over the past year, I'm up $701. And all time, I'm up $715 or 7.59%. Right now, I own 16 different stocks and all of them pay dividends. So I'll open up the portfolio right now and show you how each and every one of my stocks are performing. My first stock is ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF. Right now, the price is $74.95. You'll be able to see its trends over time. Since purchase, I'm up $2.11 or 2.9%. I do plan on purchasing more shares of this stock because the stock price has steadily increased over time. This stock pays quarterly. It pays around 34 cents per share. Next is PowerShares S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF. Right now, the stock price is $43.22. Since purchase, I'm up $5.02 or 4.03%. I do plan on purchasing more shares of this stock in the future. Right now, the stock pays around 15 cents per share. So at the end of this month, I'll be receiving a 46-cent dividend. Apple is next. Right now, the stock's price is $266.60. Since purchase, I'm up $26.34 or 2.53%. Right now, the company's market cap is valued at almost $1.2 trillion. There's going to be some Black Friday deals, which will help out the company's stock price. Also, the U.S. dropped their tariffs against China, which should also help out the stock's price. This company pays 77 cents quarterly for a total of $3.08 per year. And the company has also beat its earnings per share, so I'm going to continue to invest and buy up as many shares of this company as I can. Next is Microsoft, another one of the world's largest companies. Right now, the stock's price is $151.71. Since purchase, I'm up $7.71 or 2.61%. I do plan on purchasing more shares of this stock because over the past few years, the company has crushed its earnings per share and has also been increasing its dividends. Right now, the company pays 51 cents paid quarterly for a total of $2.04 over the course of a year. Next is AT&T, a large telecommunications company. Right now, the company is trading for $37.65. Since purchase, I'm up $27.53 or 2.89%. This company is a dividend aristocrat and it's also been beating its earnings per share for the past couple quarters, so I will look to increase my position in this company. This company pays 51 cents quarterly for a total of $2.04 a year. Next is Verizon Wireless, another large telecommunications company. Right now, the stock's price is $60.10. Since purchase, I'm up $2.74 or 2.33%. This company has been increasing its price over time and has also beat its earnings per share over the past year. This company has also increased its dividend from 60 cents to 62 cents, so I'll look to continue to purchase more shares. Next is LXP, which is a real estate investment trust or a REIT. Right now, the company's stock price is $11.14 and has been increasing over time. Right now, I own 148 shares. Since purchase, I'm up almost $325 or up almost 25%. I will look to continue to invest in this stock because it's beat its earnings per share and its stock price has also been increasing. It pays 10.25 cents quarterly for a total of 41 cents over a year. Next is Apple Hospitality REIT. Right now, the stock's price is $16.39. Since purchase, I'm up $6.92 or 0.66%. This company has been stagnant for me, but it does pay an attractive dividend. It pays 10 cents per share monthly. So of those 64 shares, I'll be receiving a $6.40 dividend next month. I'm not really looking to purchase more shares of this stock, kind of using its dividend to buy more stocks in other sectors. Next is New York Mortgage Trust. Right now, the stock's price is $6.20. Since purchase, I'm up $19.81 or 0.6%. This stock's price hasn't really been increasing over time, and it's also missed its earnings per share. So I'm looking to take this company's dividend, which is 20 cents per share, and use that to buy stocks in other sectors to diversify myself a little bit. Next is CocaCola. Right now the stock's price is $53.89. Since purchase, I'm up $9.44 or 9.6%. Right now I own 2 shares of this stock, but I'm looking forward to purchasing more shares because the company has shown stable financials by beating its earnings per share and also continue to increase its dividends. This company is a dog of the Dow, which means it's been increasing its dividends for at least the past 50 years. Next is Main Street Capital, which is a BDC. Right now it's trading for $42.98. Over the past few months, the company's been pretty stagnant, but other than that, it's been trending and growing positively. Since purchase, I'm up $5.17 or 4.18%. This is a monthly paying stock and pays 20.5 cents per share, so next month I'll be receiving a 62-cent dividend. I do plan on adding more shares in this stock to increase my position. Next is Stagger Industrial, which is also a REIT. Right now the stock's price is $31.22. Since purchase, I'm up $6.57 or 3.1%. I am looking forward to purchasing more shares in this stock. It's crushed its earnings per share over the past few quarters and pays 12 cents per share monthly. So next month I'll be picking up an 84-cent dividend. Next is Target. Right now the company's price is $125.20 and it's been increasing each and every month. Since purchase, I'm up $56.90 or 17.85%. This company is a dividend aristocrat, which means it's been increasing its dividends for at least the past 25 years, and it's beat its expected earnings per share by 17 cents this quarter. So just over the past few weeks, the company's stock price has risen over $12. I'm looking to acquire more shares in this stock and continue to rake in those profits. Next is Aqua America. Right now the price is $44.43. Since purchase, I'm up $1.26 or 2.92%. This company is a dividend aristocrat and has been crushing its earnings per share over the past few quarters, so I will be looking to increase my position in this stock. This company pays 23 cents per share quarterly for a total of 92 cents over a year. Next is Realty Income. Right now the stock's price is $77.69. Since purchase, I am down $2.49 or down negative 0.46%. This stock is a dividend aristocrat and it's also been increasing its price over the past few months and years. I do believe the price will rebound. The stock pays around 23 cents per share, so I'll be paid $1.14 next month. My last stock is a new stock. It's Bank of America, which is in the financial sector of the stock market. This company has shown steady growth over the past couple months and years. Right now it's trading for $33.32. Since purchase, I am down 18 cents or down 0.54%. This company has been increasing its dividends, so I am looking forward to receiving those quarterly dividends of 18 cents. Next, we'll talk about the dividend portion of my portfolio. This is a simple screen capture of the app that I use to plot all the dividends that I receive over the course of 1 year. So in column B, it shows how many shares I have of each stock. In column C, it shows how much I get paid monthly/quarterly. And finally, in column D, it adds up how much I get paid over the course of 1 year, which is auto summed at the bottom. So over 12 months, I'm paid $695.26. On the next page, we'll see how much I'm averaging over the course of each month. So we can see that $695.26 over the course of 12 months nets me an average of $57.93 of passive income every month. This is down from the $63.98 on my last portfolio update. The reason why this amount decreased is because I did sell some of my higher dividend paying stocks like Prospect Capital that weren't growing in exchange for companies with lower dividend yields that had higher growth potential like Apple, Target, and Microsoft. So that was a consequence of that choice. So this concludes the video for today. That was my $10,000 Robinhood Portfolio update, and I'm thankful that I had the opportunity to be able to share it with you. When I first started this journey over a year ago, I never thought that my portfolio would ever reach $10,000. But with consistency, hard work, and learning from my mistakes, I was able to grow my portfolio rather quickly. I just kind of wanted to make videos to show that regular people like myself can learn the stock market and learn how to make money in the stock market. And if I can do it, you can do it too. So I want to get your thoughts. What do you think about the new format of the video? What do you think about my stock portfolio and how it's been performing? And what do you think about my stocks? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and leave your thoughts down below. I have a finance quote for you, and this is from Robert Kiyosaki, who is the author of the Rich Dad, Poor Dad series. It says that financial freedom is a mental, emotional, and educational process. I think this quote is relevant to the stock market for several different reasons. First is the mental aspect. I think it takes a lot of mental fortitude to even get started in the stock market. Second, there's an emotional component because when the stock market is at an all-time high, you can feel great about yourself. But when your stocks aren't doing so hot, you can kind of feel down on yourself and question your decisions. And also, there's an educational process because I believe when people first get started investing in the stock market, they might not know what stocks to pick. But as you educate yourself and continue to read books, you get better at it and you learn how to pick better stocks that can lead you to financial freedom. So I thank Robert Kiyosaki for his quote. I would like to thank you for taking time out of your busy day to watch one of my videos. As always, continue making that passive income, whether that's through your business, the stock market, or real estate. I want you to be able to fire your boss one day and live comfortably. With that said, take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you next time.